A huge asteroid, racing at 54,000 miles per hour, just zoomed past Earth, coming within 45,000 miles of us. That's closer than the moon.
It was traveling at 45,000 miles an hour.
How did this giant rock sneak up on us? Find out why scientists were caught off guard and what this near miss means for our future. Don't miss the details of this jaw-dropping space event. A 427-foot wide asteroid just zoomed past Earth, coming within 45,000 miles of us. Although that might sound like a lot, astronomers are calling it a close call. It's less than a quarter of the way to the moon. Imagine two airplanes narrowly missing each other by inches. That's how close this asteroid got. This is the nearest we've come to a dramatic Armageddon-style event in years. While many asteroids pass by Earth without much notice, this one has really stunned scientists. Check out our video today to find out why this surprising asteroid has left experts in awe. Scientists didn't realize that the asteroid, known as 2019 OK, was a threat until it was too late to do anything about it. No one in the astronomy community had been tracking this asteroid. It wasn't one of the known objects that scientists monitor closely. It seemed to appear out of nowhere, according to Australian astronomer Michael Brown, speaking to the Washington Post. And it was heading straight for us at a whopping 54,000 miles per hour.
Little object, maybe 100 miles across, tiny, but moving. It was well past Pluto and moving in orbit around the sun.
This enormous jagged rock was estimated to be between 187 and 427 feet wide and was speeding along a path that brought it within 45,000 miles of Earth, less than 1/5 the distance to the moon. Scientists describe this as uncomfortably close. The illustration below shows just how narrowly 2019 OK passed between Earth's and Venus's orbits. It caught us off guard pretty fast. People are only just starting to grasp what happened now that it's already zipped past us, said Michael Brown, an associate professor at Monash University's School of Physics and Astronomy in Australia. While several astronomy teams in Brazil and the United States did spot the asteroid, it was too late to prepare. Details about its size and trajectory were released only hours before it flew by Earth. This asteroid is likely the largest to come this close to Earth in many years. How exactly did this giant asteroid almost go undetected? Firstly, let's talk about its size. While asteroid 2019 OK is quite large, it's not big enough to cause a catastrophic event like the extinction of the dinosaurs. NASA and its partners have identified over 90% of asteroids larger than half a mile across. Smaller asteroids like this one are much harder to spot. They rely on reflected sunlight to be seen, which is too faint to detect with just binoculars, even at its closest approach. The asteroid's eccentric orbit and high speed also contributed to the difficulty in spotting it early. Its highly elliptical path takes it from beyond Mars to inside the orbit of Venus, meaning it spends only a brief time near Earth, where it could be detected. The asteroid was zooming through space at about 24 kilometers per second, or nearly 54,000 miles per hour. That is incredibly fast compared to other recent near-Earth asteroids, which have traveled at speeds ranging from 4 to 19 kilometers per second, 8,900 to 42,500 miles per hour. Scientists say the asteroid was too faint to detect for most of its journey. It only started becoming visible a week or two before its closest approach, but finding it required looking in just the right spot. Once it was identified as an asteroid, and not just space debris, things moved quickly. However, with its rapid approach, we had only a short window to learn about it before it flew by. This last-minute detection highlights how little we know about space and serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers asteroids pose. It should concern us all. This isn't a Hollywood plot, but a very real and immediate threat. Scientists have a nickname for asteroids, like the one that recently zipped close to Earth: city killer asteroids. If this asteroid had hit our planet, most of it would have struck the ground, causing catastrophic damage. Experts say an asteroid of this size would have detonated with the force of a massive nuclear weapon, roughly equivalent to 10 megatons of TNT, which is no small matter. In 2013, a much smaller meteor, about 65 feet wide, the size of a 6-story building, exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. This blast caused a shockwave that damaged roofs, shattered windows, and injured over 1,200 people. The last time an asteroid of 2019 OK's size impacted Earth was over a century ago, during the Tunguska event in 1908. That asteroid, slightly smaller than 2019 OK, exploded over Siberia with the force of a thermonuclear weapon, flattening 770 square miles of forest, nearly twice the size of New York City. While the chances of a city-killer asteroid striking Earth are relatively low, it's crucial to invest in detecting and preventing potential impacts. Asteroid 2019 OK. OK reminds us that there are still dangerous asteroids out there that could unexpectedly come close to Earth. Scientists are working on methods to redirect potentially hazardous asteroids. One technique, called the gravity tractor, involves sending a spacecraft to gradually pull an asteroid off course over time. This method requires early detection, giving scientists years to act. NASA is also testing another approach through the DART mission, which involves intentionally crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid to alter its path. The DART mission successfully changed an asteroid's motion in space when it launched on September 6, 2022. The recent close call with asteroid 2019 OK underscores the need for continuous sky monitoring. Senior editor Emily Lakdawala of the Planetary Society, which supports space research, notes that while this asteroid's close pass might be alarming, it poses no immediate danger. It's like learning about something new that's fascinating, but not threatening, she says. Despite 2019 OK being smaller than the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, it's still a reminder that not all asteroids need to be enormous to cause significant damage. NASA tracks about 90% of large asteroids, but many smaller ones, like 2019 OK, are still challenging to detect. NASA was tasked with finding 90% of near-Earth objects over 140 meters wide by 2020, but as of December, fewer than 1/3 of these objects have been discovered. Telescopes must be in the right place at the right time to detect these rocks, which makes tracking them difficult. This close encounter with 2019 OK highlights the importance of investing in global asteroid detection and deflection strategies. We have the technology to manage these threats if we commit to it now. Before you leave, check out our other videos recommended by YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know your thoughts about the asteroid that just zipped past Earth in the comments below. We'll do our best to respond to as many of you as possible. Today, asteroid 2019. OK zipped past Earth at just 45,000 miles, less than a quarter of the distance to the Moon. At up to 427 feet wide and traveling at 54,000 miles per hour, it was a close call we barely spotted in time. This highlights the need for better asteroid tracking and defense. Check out our other videos for more details, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments.